This new method I'm about to show you has been used to teach children younger than 3 years old how to read. But first, I need to make you aware of some important new findings. The whole language method is no longer the recommended method for teaching children to read. That method teaches children to learn complete words based on their shape. In the long run, this will slow your children's reading mastery. Because complete words is not how we teach children to speak. Instead of using the word-shaped method, the reading panel suggests that children learn to read better through a unique combination of synthetic phonics and phonemic awareness skills development. It works like this. Spoken English is made up of sentences. These sentences are made up of words, and words are made up of phonemes. Phonemes are the smallest units of sound in language. There are 40-plus phonemes in the English language. Let me show you an example. A word dog. Children associate each letter with a phoneme. So, d, a, g. Then they learn how to blend these phonemes. Dog. To read the word dog. By teaching children the phonemes first, and then the letters and letter groups that spell them, children learn much faster than when learning letters or word shape first. There is a proven direct link between your child's future academic performance and success and the positive early experiences they have of developing reading skills. Teaching your child to read at the earliest possible moment is the greatest gift and skill you can give them.
Please read.
Playing can be lots of fun. You like going fast, climbing high, and swimming far. But playing can also be dangerous. You could get badly hurt. It is always important to play safely.
That's right. So what do you think you should do, not your legs, to get caught with a ring to make it safe?
Uh,
Look, they are riding the bicycle too. So what do you think they're doing to make it safe for them to ride a bike? Look, what's on their head?
the oh my
It's okay, you can do
God.
it. You have to wear a
Uh, eh,
helm.
helmet.
Helmet. That's right. Good job, Vicky. So they are wearing helmet. What is the use of wearing a helmet? What's that for?
Protect their head.
That's right. Exactly. To protect their head, right? It's very, very important to wear a helmet when you are riding a bike. What else? When do we use the helmet? Only riding a bike?
No.
What else? When do we use it?
Like play pop skateboard.
Yes, they can also do that. Yeah. They also have helmet for playing skateboards, right? It's
Yeah.
important.